can prepare for JN0-648 Enterprise Routing and Switching, Professional JNCIP-ENT, Certification Exam well with dumps base JN0-648 exam dumps. This video shares JN0-648 free dumps online to help you check the new JN0-648 dumps questions and accurate answers online. Question number 1. Which two statements are correct about a functional ESI lag interface? Choose 2. A. The LACP system ID must be the same. B. The ESI values must be the same. C. The LACP system ID must be different. D. The ESI values must be different. Answer A, B. Question number 2. What are two supported PO management modes? Choose 2. A. Class. B. Standalone. C. Static. D. Mixed. Answer A, C. Question number 3. You are currently using VLAN IDs 2 through 300 within your Layer 2 domain and you need to configure VSTP to prevent loops. You must ensure that all VLANs are loop-free. In this scenario, which statement is correct? A. You must ensure that the VLANs are balanced between two different route bridges. B. You must enable RSTP to account for all VLANs. C. You must ensure that the bridge priority is set to the lowest value on all switches in the Layer 2 domain. D. You must enable all VLANs 2 through 300 under the VSTP configuration. Answer D. Question number 4. You must ensure that all management traffic sourced from your Junos devices is set with a specific DSCP code point value. Which action will accomplish this task? A. Apply the DSCP code point to the edit class of service host outbound traffic hierarchy. B. Apply the DSCP code point to the edit class of service interface low 0.0 hierarchy. C. Apply the DSCP code point in an egress polycher. D. Apply the DSCP code point to a rewrite rule. Answer A. Question number 5. You have PIM-SM multicast configured and running in a network environment comprised of EX4300 devices. Your customers report increased delay when switching channels using IPTV. To help decrease the delay, you implement PIM join load balancing. You add the set protocol's PIM join load not balance command to the configuration. After committing, you notice that the flows are still using only one path. In this scenario, which statement is correct? A. The clear PIM join distribution command must be issued. B. The interfaces must be specified to use for load balancing. C. IGMP snooping must also be configured. D. PIM join load balancing only works for PIM-DM. Answer A. Question number 6. You have configured CUS on a Junos device. A packet is classified as best effort by a behavior aggregate (BA) classifier, and as expedited forwarding by a multifield (MF) classifier. Which statement is true in this scenario? A. The packet will be placed in a queue associated with the BA classifier. B. The packet will be placed into the queue which is least congested. C. The packet will be placed into the queue that has the most bandwidth assigned to it. D. The packet will be placed in a queue associated with the MF classifier. Answer A. Question number 7. What are 3 well-known mandatory BGP attributes? Choose 3. A. Med. B. As path. C. Origin. D. Next hop. E. Community. Answer B, C, D. Question number 8. You are implementing a single spanning tree instance in your network and want to use the protocol that will give you the best convergence time in the event of a physical network failure of the root bridge. Which spanning tree protocol will satisfy this requirement? A. RSTP. B. STP. C. MSTP. D. VSTP. Answer A. Question number 9. Which BGP message type contains NLRI information? A. Notification. B. Keep alive. C. Update. D. Open. Answer C. Question number 10. You notice a mass withdrawal of routes for some of the network hosts. You determine that the link on the ESI interface is down. Which route type is used in this scenario? A. Type 2. B. Type 3. C. Type 1. D. Type 5. Answer C.